Hello everyone, welcome back to our crochet channel. Today we're making a cute star with a cat face decorated with a small Christmas tree, perfect as an ornament or handmade gift. Prepare yarn and a 2.5 millimeters crochet hook, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch until the end to support us and inspire more tutorials. For round 1, start with a magic ring, chain 2, crochet 10 double crochets into the ring, then slip stitch to close. Take your time and pull the ring tight for a neat center. Next, round 2, chain 2 and work 2 double crochets in each stitch all around, then slip stitch. Keep counting your stitches for a smooth, even circle. For round 3, chain 2, crochet 1 double crochet and then 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Repeat this pattern all around and slip stitch. You're doing great. The base of the star is forming nicely. For round 4, chain 1 and repeat this sequence 5 times. Single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet in the same stitch, 1 extended stitch, 1 giant stitch, another giant stitch, 1 extended stitch, double crochet, and half double crochet in the same stitch, then single crochet, and finish with a slip stitch. Go slowly here. This round creates the beautiful star points. For round 1, start with a magic ring, crochet 6 single crochets, and slip stitch nice and easy. You've got this. Next, round 2, chain 1 and repeat single crochet and increase 3 times. Then slip stitch, keep your tension relaxed for a soft shape. For round 3, work in the back loop only, chain 1, then crochet, single crochet, increase, single crochet, repeated 3 times, and slip stitch. This helps create texture for the tree layers. For round 4, chain 1 and crochet 12 single crochets evenly around, then slip stitch. Great job, the tree is taking shape. Next, round 5, again in the back loop only, chain 1 and repeat 3 single crochets and an increase 3 times, then slip stitch using a stitch marker can really help here. For round 6, chain 1 and crochet 15 single crochets all around, then slip stitch almost there, keep going. For round 7, chain 1 and repeat 4 single crochets and an increase 3 times, then slip stitch. Wonderful, your mini Christmas tree is complete. Attach your yarn to round 3, work in the front loop only, chain 3, and slip stitch into the next stitch. Repeating this all around these loops add a cute decorative detail. Next, attach yarn to round 5, again in the front loop only, chain 3, and slip stitch into the next stitch all around. Keep the loops even for the best look. And that's it! Your star with a cat face and Christmas tree is finished. Thank you so much for crocheting along with us. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your crochet friends. Watching until the end really helps motivate us to create more patterns. See you in the next project, and happy crocheting!